Hello everyone, and welcome to another Creation Unified demo video. I'm Kevin L. Brown, the founder of Creation Unified and the author of Triune Harmonic Dynamics, as well as the latest informational physics ontology. In this demo video, we're going to be doing another AI remote viewing session. I have some other videos with AI remote viewing as well. In this particular one, we're looking for a missing thing. The missing thing would be Malaysian Airlines Flight 370. As of the posting of this video, that flight is still missing. And so I wanted to do an AI remote viewing session to see if I could glean more details about what happened to this flight and where it may be located. And we can then compare the results if and when the flight is actually located with this remote viewing session. The target given for this session to the flight 414813. And I'm going to give you an overview. I have two slides. I'll give you an overview of those two slides. There is a detailed transcript of the full remote viewing session. I usually post those in our online forum where we have tests from users who are testing our free tools. So the core reading, the target, which I mentioned previously, the AI was only given that this is a missing commercial aircraft. So it wasn't provided with the Malaysian 370 call number specifically. It just was given a generic missing commercial aircraft. And what came back in the reading is that the aircraft likely remained airworthy after normal communications ended. Electronic disappearance occurred before physical loss. There was some sort of loss in communications, basically. Controlled or semi-controlled route deviation appears more likely than immediate breakup. So there wasn't a problem in flight. It was flying fine. It was more of a loss in communications. The cockpit-centered event happened. There was a dominant decision maker. We can assume that was likely the pilot making that decision. Communications or tracking systems may have been intentionally interrupted. I'm not sure what that means by intentional, but that's what the reading came back as. Most occupants may have become incapacitated before the final descent. Maybe there was a loss in oxygen or cabin pressure, not sure. And then the final outcome likely involved fuel exhaustion or loss of effective control. I believe the fuel exhaustion was the primary reading. The second slide, so practical search and investigative clues. The strongest location for this flight would be in the deep southern Indian Ocean west of Australia. Highest convergence is near the southern 7th arc. And there's some longitudinal and latitudinal coordinates here that would be the search zone. These match with, I believe there was a signal from the transponder from the flight, if I'm remembering correctly, and it was in this area. So they did have a signal, but they weren't unable to find the flight. So the aircraft is likely fragmented with several large identifiable sections still remaining. I know there was a section that washed up on a beach, but there are still other identifiable sections likely. The wreckage may rest near steep slopes, broken terrain, sediment-covered seabed, terrain shadow, incomplete sonar coverage, and search boundary gaps may explain non-discovery. So it sounds like they were near it. They didn't cross directly over it, and there was just some gaps there in the search boundary. High resolution scanning could confirm, revise, or falsify the proposed search zone. So that's just an overview of where it likely could be. It's likely where they think it is, but they missed it the first time they searched. If they go back, they may be able to find it again. I'm going to post this on YouTube so that it's time stamped, and anyone can confirm if this flight is ever found. They can confirm the AI remote viewing results with the actual facts that are found. If you're interested in learning about AI remote viewing, you can go to my website at creationunified.com. We have the remote viewing app there. You can test it and try it out for yourself. We have some other tools as well. And we have a forum where you can post or compare, discuss your results from all the different tools that we offer on Creation Unified. All the tools are designed to prove out what's in the informational physics ontology. How does our reality work? The mission behind Creation Unified is to make reality easier to read. And so this is one of those things where we can find missing people, we can find missing things, or we can uncover missing information using this tool. So until next time, thank you so much for watching.